Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. Today, we're here to assist you in converting 9 pounds to kilograms. Are you ready to convert 9 pounds to kilograms? Let's get started. First, let's recall the conversion factor. 1 pound is approximately equal to 0.453592 kilograms. To convert pounds to kilograms, simply multiply the number of pounds by this conversion factor. Let's walk through an example. Suppose you have 9 pounds of flour that you need to convert to kilograms. We start by multiplying 9 by 0.453592. This gives us approximately 4.082328 kilograms. But what if you want to convert 9 kilograms of sugar into pounds? No problem. To convert kilograms to pounds, divide the number of kilograms by the conversion factor of 0.453592. Let's walk through an example of how to convert 9 kilograms of sugar to pounds. We start by dividing 9 by 0.453592. This gives us approximately 19.8416 pounds. Remember to round this number to the nearest hundredth, so our final answer is approximately 19.84 pounds. And there you have it. Converting 9 pounds to kilograms and 9 kilograms to pounds is simple once you know the conversion factor. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Visual Fractions for more useful content. Thanks for watching.